so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey! You probably didn't recognize me with my hard hat on and my safety vest. Oh, and look down here. Yeah. Whoa! Yeah, this and that back there, these are what's called a skid steer. And today, in this video, I am gonna show you some fun things to do with the skid steer. Okay, gotta get this nice and perfect. I'm ready. Hey, seatbelt on, lap bar down, let's fire up. Okay, here I go. Whoa! Will you pick a skid steer with me so we can drive it? Yeah, come on. There's so many right here. Should we drive this one? Nah. What about this one? Whoa, nah. This one? It's a dandy, but nah. This one? No. Whoa! This one looks awesome! Okay, I'm gonna drive it, but in order to drive it, we need some safety equipment on. Okay, got my hard hat, and then I got my safety vest. It's nice and bright and orange, so then everyone can see us. It's so safe! Okay, and last but not least, check that out! I got the keys! Okay, seatbelt, lap bar, here we go! Do you hear that engine purr? Yeah! Nice purr! Meow! Okay. Yeah. Here I go! Side of the skid steer. See? I'm wearing my safety belt. That is the first rule. All right, now I'm buckled in. These are how you operate the skid steer. This one makes the skid steer go forward. Whoa, backward, left and right. Woo, whoa. And then this one operates the bucket. Whoa, 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 whoa. Pull it back, it raises. Push it forward, it lowers. Okay, now I'm gonna lower the lap bar and then scoop a giant bucket. Here we go. Oh wait, I'm gonna tell you to get away real quick by the horn. Watch out. Here I come. Yay! Whoa! Watch this! I'm gonna raise the bucket really high in the sky! Whoa! Whoa! Look at how high it is up there! Okay, I'll bring it back down. Oh, that's so cool! I'm gonna take off now! Okay, now I'm gonna teach you the parts of the skid steer. Come on! Ooh, this right here? Yeah, this is a bucket, and it's pretty big. These are the hydraulic cylinders that attach to the attachment. Woo! And the loader arm, wow! The loader arm is what lifts up the attachment and down the attachment. And this hydraulic cylinder is the loader arm hydraulic cylinder. Oh, look! These, yeah, are the wheels and the tires. Whoa! 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 Come on! Whoa. Back here is where the engine of the skid steer is. Look at this! Whoa! 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 Check this out! Wow! We have the radiator, where you put the oil, the diesel, the air filter! Oh, and my favorite part, whoa, where you check the engine oil. Do you see it? Yep, looks pretty good. Let's put that back right there. Okay. Let's close this. Okay, let me show you some more. These are pretty important. Look, these are the auxiliary hydraulics. This is what the attachments get its power from. Whoa, wow. Whoa, so shiny. Ooh, look. Wow, this right here, yeah, it's not a skid steer. No, this is a compact track loader. And the reason why they call that is because right here, these are tracks. They're not wheels and tires. These tracks are really good to go over mud and dirt, and you won't get stuck. Whoa! 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 Driving the skid steer. Okay, now I'm gonna take off the bucket, and then we're gonna choose a different attachment. Watch this. Did you see what I just did? See? This is where the attachments attach to. Whoa! Well, now that there's nothing here, I think we should go find one. Whoa! Look at all of them. Well, that's the bucket, obviously. And then some pallet forks used to pick up some pallets. Whoa! And then the trencher, it digs some trenches. We'll come back here. Whoa! Look at all these bristles. This is called Sweeper McGee. And it cleans a bunch of roads and driveways and streets. Ooh! And some auger bits. Look at these. They're like giant screws. And then a Harley rake This is used to prepare some soil. And then over here, we just have a bunch of grapple buckets. Wow. Okay, now we need to pick one of our favorites. How about, yeah, some pallet forks. Okay, come back here. I'm gonna hop back in, and then we'll go grab the pallet forks. Watch. Alright, you have to get nice and straight. Okay, there they are. Oh, line it up, perfect. And to know if you got it, you have to curl the attachment. So let's see if it falls off. Oh, see? It just fell off. Good thing we tested that. Okay, now we gotta try it again. Okay, I think it's locked in, but like I said, we have to test it. So check this out. Yeah! It didn't fall off, so we're good to go! Now, let's go pick up a pallet! Pallet over here. Take the pallet parts. Okay, straight. Lower it. Perfect. Okay, I think we're good to go. Slowly but surely, let's lift it up. Yeah, we did it! You see all that? There's a bunch of garbage next to the pond. I think we should clean it up and dump it out. Okay, we have a bucket. Put in the bucket. Ooh, ew. I love cleaning up the environment. Okay, here we go. Woo, come over here. Look, another trash bag. Okay, and then, oh, a nice chair. Looks like someone fell through though. Okay, put that in the bucket. Oh, here's another. That's a lot of trash we cleaned up. Good job. Woo! And we have a piece of cardboard. Oh, what's this? Looks like a cable. You gotta get that. Whoa, where does it go to? Whoa! Whoa! This was in the swamp down there. Oh! Look! It's a vacuum from the 1700s. We should throw that away too. Okay. Ooh, and a couple more. Looks like we have another trash bag and some kitty litter. Woo! Okay. Wow. Good job. You. Okay, now let's go to the dumpster and dump it out. Okay, let's go. Alright, get up there. Alright. Looks good right there. Okay, here we go! Whoa! helped out the environment. Okay, now it's time for the Skid Steer song. Hey now, looky here. I got a brand new skid steer. A small engine-powered machine, and it can do most anything. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. My skid steer can load a truck, push some heavy things and carry heavy stuff. It can dig down in the dirt, like basements under homes built into the earth. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's multi-terrain, that means it works everywhere. It rolls on 4 wheels and on tracks as well. That's my skid steer. My skid steer. Dig down in the 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 my skid steer. Woo! That was so much fun learning about skid steers today with you. If you want to watch more of my videos, you know what to do. Yep, just search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. Well, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun.
See you later.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.